This 2023 Thor Hurricane 31C is for sale today at Beckley's RVs. Starting inside, you'll immediately see your booth dinette seating, which converts into a bed. Across from this is your sofa, which also folds into a bed. Your coach is built on the Ford F-53 chassis. It has a Triton 7.3-liter V8 engine with 350 horsepower and 468 foot-pounds of torque. Above your driving cockpit is an overhead loft bed. Moving into the back, make note of your kitchen with a sink, a 3-burner gas cooktop with an oven, a microwave, and a fridge. Your master bedroom is located in the back of the coach. Here, you'll find a king-size bed and a walk-in closet. Adjacent to this is your bathroom. Returning outside, you have an exterior flat-screen TV. For more information on this unit, visit our website, links in the description, or shoot us a call and visit us today. We'd love to be your RV dealer. Welcome to the family.